Hi friends, this video shows what is variable refresh rate VRR and how to use it. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, go to about phone, tap here. Go down, tap on device identifiers. Then here you can see build number. On build number we need to tap 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Then tap on system, go to developer options. Under developer options find debugging section. Here you can see debugging. Under debugging go down, then find show refresh rate. Tap here and enable show refresh rate. Now here on top left corner you can see the current refresh rate. It shows 60. Let me close this. Then again go to settings, then go to display. Go to display refresh rate. Here you can see I have selected display refresh rate 60 Hz. That is the reason it shows current refresh rate 60. So I forcefully set 60 Hz refresh rate. So that is the reason its phone always shows 60 here. So let me enable variable refresh rate. We can enable auto. Auto means variable refresh rate. After that we can do some operation on the screen. You can see it's automatically changing the current refresh rate. Here you can see 60, 90, 120. See, so this is a variable refresh rate. See, so in variable refresh rate phone will automatically change the refresh rate. We can use 120 refresh rate for better performance. So if you are playing game and if you are watching multimedia content, then use 120 Hz. Phone will automatically switch to 120 Hz when you watch multimedia content or play game. 60 Hz means if you want to save battery life, you can use 60 Hz. If you are not doing any operation, see, now you can see the phone automatically switched to 60 Hz. Okay, so phone will automatically adjust refresh rate. That is a variable refresh rate. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.